don't want to hear a single Kaizer Chiefs fan this week saying a Kaizer Chiefs player deserves to be in Bafana Bafana. Please, don't piss me off. None of them deserve to be in Bafana Bafana. Do you think I must be happy with that performance? We're lucky that Zamalek goalkeeper made a mistake, and it's not even their main goalkeeper, which I mentioned during the week. He's injured. So luckily we had a second base goalkeeper there. We are finished. Straight. And no game plan. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what is going on with this team. So please, guys, don't come piss me off during the week and say, hey, you're wrong. Hugo Bruce must select Kaizer Chiefs players. Who from that group can he select? And also, SuperSport, please, SuperSport, when we're losing, you've got these commentators calling the wrong players. Mabu has got the ball. He keeps on saying, Kwiniga. The ball goes over. The linesman raises a flag. The commentators, when Peterson punches, says, "Ooh, I don't know what happened there. Why is the ref giving a goal kick? It's offside. Are you guys blind? You're there in this. You're commentating. You've got every single angle." Yes, we are just a waste in CAF Confederations Cup. A waste. And there's some players. Some players just running around, but next week the names will be on the starting 11. And then I know the comments are, man, don't be angry. The Kaizer Chiefs improved in the second half. The boys really tried. I must be happy with the 1-1 draw against a weakened Zamalek team. Weakened. That was basically Zamalek's second team because all their main players are out. Against Zescon United, just good luck. I don't know if we can beat Zescon United. Playing like this, we will not beat Zescon United, man. There's literally no structure, no game plan. I don't know what is going on. The only person that stood out today in that performance is Mabue. That's it. Vilakazi tried, but he obviously came out as a sub for Sirino. But yeah, Vilakazi tried. But the main player stuck out is Mabue, an ex-Sundowns player. A guy who's older probably than the whole team. Please, Kaizer Chiefs, please, go fetch me Rivaldo Kutsia. I don't care if he's injury prone. 2-3 games, we'll win those 2-3 games when he plays. Fetch me Rivaldo Kutsia as a belief. Another thing, who is analyzing our opponents at Kaizer Chiefs? Who? I warned you guys about Bezara. There goes first up, crosses goes flying into Bezara, gets a free kick, injured. And I said, these guys they score from balls into the box. Crosses, they score. And how do they score?
Yabona la kube kancane ukuthi iChiefs ishawe kusale kancane isinje nje ngokulambisa ayikho lento bekade siyibukela ungathini ungazama ukuthola ama positive ayikho into positive la hayi khona ayikho lento bekade siyibukela. Number 1, shout out to Solomons for scoring kodwa kwayena nje kule game bekangekho mnandi, right? Nale goal le ukube beku goalkeeper first choice yeZamalek ubeka vimba lapha ya le goal la bengeke lize lingene. Siqale nje lapho singayikudini maqeda bayahamba bayo celebrate lapha ba celebrate draw bayabambana hayi khona madoda ayikho lento bekade sibukela. The only bright thing engibonela i second half ngenkathi ngene uncobo noma boy lapha eswini they were able to play football. Uvelaphi uthe mangena second half kwaphuma umodi bakungena uvelaphi second half uvelaphi is taking on players. He's able to give us something in attack. I mean khona the opportunity ephonyo uVilakazi that Vilakazi missed, should have scored. Iqhamuke ngale kuvelaphi something Modi failed to do 45 minutes wonke. Yo hayi I mean angazi ngizoyithini indaba yalabantu Peterson cishe enza ipenalty futhi ukube lokho labantu laba indaba yalabantu ngisho nabo abo coach uqobo labo ngisho nabo abo coach angiba understand bayabona ukuthi i team idonsa ngolow sigijima nge-reserve tank, abashaya ama-substitutions kuze kushaya u-68 minutes, kuze kukhala ama-fans kuma-stands ukuthi hayi bo shintshani phela, kuyima betshintsha. Ilapho i-Chiefs eqala ukudlala khona kancane the last 20 minutes of the game, ukuthi bebalinda u-12 balinda uNuye yini angazi. Yangidina nje le dayide ngizenzakala phaya, yangidina dayide ngizenzakala phaya amanyana nje. And into ebuhlungu ukuthi sisazoyibuka yonke lento yenzeka transpire throughout the whole season. Yabona i-Chiefs bayidlala ibhola elinje ayiki kuma-knockout stages e-CAF, mayingaqhubeka idlala ibhola elinje kwalapha ku-Betway Premiership bazosuka lapha ku-number 4-5 bazabuyela kulo number 9 wabo bamthandayo nabamjwayele.
Kaizer Chiefs players play like they only meet on match day. We scored a last-minute equalizer to save what seemed unsavable, because that performance, guys, especially in the first half, we need to unpack. I am not going to be one of the people that celebrate because we scored a last-minute winner. What I saw today was very shocking, and it made me realize, are we actually even ready for African football? Are we taking this competition as seriously as we need to be? We wasted about 2 minutes celebrating. Zamalek players looked so tired. We could have just gotten the ball quickly and pounced on them while they were still tired after that goal. I am very much happy that we walked away with a point. It genuinely could have been worse. I am happy, but I'm not going to celebrate like we won a trophy. Come on. Very few players today showed us that they actually care about playing for this club. Maybe you can even add Mtetwa there. Mabue as well. Mabue is debatable. He had moments in that game, so it's debatable. But, guys, I want us to spend time dissecting that first half. I don't ever want to see that again. I don't ever want to see that again. I am tired of complaining about Modi. Modi, what did I do? What did I do to deserve you? Come on, man. We have a striker, but he was everywhere on that pitch except the box that he's supposed to be in as a number 9. He was everywhere, never inside the box. What are these coaches telling these players? I would love to be a fly in that dressing room. What are these coaches telling these players? What are the tactics? I also want the coaches to take this competition seriously and not use it as an opportunity to experiment. This is not the time to experiment. Do you guys think we're gonna get better? Please comment what you think.
Chapunja Bafet, one of the reasons why Kaizer Chiefs are going to have inconsistent in terms of results is because of the co-coaches they have, Bafet. The coaches continue to give abantu who don't deserve to start games for Kaizer Chiefs some minutes to play. Number one, Pule Modi, Bafeto. The man has been off form since the start of the season. It seems like Bafeto, they are rewarding him for the work that he did for Kaizer Chiefs last season, especially in the Nedbank Cup. Because for Kaizer Chiefs to play in the CAF Confed, it's because they won in Nedbank Cup, and we know Pule Modi was the best player. But is he on form this season, Bafeto? Is he ready to start games for Kaizer Chiefs? No, Bafeto. I wanted the second half performance. Those players that were supposed to start a game for Kaizer Chiefs, Velepai, Mfundo Vilakazi, Mabowe, Ungobo. Okay, Ngobo can play him in the second half because he engine William Shy. But Bafeto, that second half performance, that is Kaizer Chiefs' best starting 11. The co-coaches, Bafeto, you want to reward players for what they did last season. If they are not in form this season, Bafeto, they cannot start games for Kaizer Chiefs. Give the kids the opportunity. Give Abomfundo, give Abovelepai, Bafeto the opportunity to play for Kaizer Chiefs, because these are currently the best players that you have at the club. And Bafeto, Yabona, Kaizer Chiefs, they're not experienced, Bafeto, in terms of this, in terms of Confed. They haven't been playing it for years, Bafeto, right? So if you're going to bring experience, like you're going to win the tournament, Bafeto, I think it won't work for Kaizer Chiefs. Just play your best 11 and see how it goes, Bafeto. Salute.
Ngidefendi-ke mina umsangano. Umsangano. I-Chiefs idlala umsangano ngisho i-Chiefs. I-Chiefs iyawudlala umsangano. I-Chiefs if izoqhubeka idlale ngalendlela, i-Chiefs izobuya ekseni. If abo coach beKaizer Chiefs ba approach i-game ngalendlela, i-Chiefs izobuya ekseni. Entshela mina.
Pule Modi offensively does not give Chiefs much, but it keeps on getting picked each and every single game. Yeah? Today, there was Mabuwe playing as a midfielder. He had a decent game, right? But to be fair, he was being tried out to see how he can perform. We don't know what happened with Ucele. Maybe they did say that Ucele is injured or something. I don't know. But I'm thinking, if you are dropping Ucele, surely the next person who's going to start is going to be Nkosimphihle Ngcobo, because he has not had a bad season at all. He's actually been one of the players with a spark in that midfield. Even when he came on today, he had a spark. But somehow, he's the player who keeps on getting punished by being benched. Yeah? Sirino has not been starting games, but in this game, he gets started. So from the team selection perspective, that is still a problem. I'm not even talking about the game plan yet.
Hayi bafethu ngeke bafethu mina nje ngeke udoti angikwazi ukubekezelela mina, I'm sorry. Hawu bafethu namhlanje usezosha ama-assist ke manje bafethu, kanti ama-defenders sanawo yini i-coaching staff ye-Kaizer bafethu ingoba vele ingenamehlo. Hayi bafethu ngeke ahlonishwe njengabalandeli bafethu. Udoti phela lona, hawu i-assist nje uqobo leya bafethu. Ngeke sibulawe umuntu oyedwa sibuka. Hawu niyahlaza phela manje, hayi niyahlaza bakwethu. Ngeke management ye-Kaizer bafethu ayikhulume no-coach, ngoba ngempela angazi mina lento eyenzakala ngempela ukuthi yini lesibukayo manje bafethu. Hayi ngeke.
Well, bafethu, that's it for video namhlanje. I didn't get to watch Game Chiefs because I was watching a Pirates, but for the 30 minutes ngibukile Game Chiefs, that first half, yeah, it was bad. And ngisema ngithi ngivule i-game already, Chiefs was already behind, so I was like, yo, it's gonna be a long day for Kaizer Chiefs, and it was a long day. If it wasn't for a mistake yalo keeper, ngabe it's a long day for abantu to be Chiefs, bro. So bro, I still don't understand why uVilakazi aqala ebenchini. Beka Modi bafethu, lukhona uthi uModi last season was on form. uModi since afika kwi-Chiefs akakaze be on form, bro. uModi doesn't cross the ball, uModi akakhathi in, uModi akadribuli, uModi is just literally running on the side. uModi phethu uyagijima nje lapha esayidini phethu akenzi lutho. Uvele bayimfethu kulama game amancane awadlalile, bro. He's shown ukuthi he's way better than uModi. He starts on the bench. uVilakazi angazi mhlambe ukuthi I'm a fan of uVilakazi mfethu, but mfethu uVilakazi mfethu should start the game on the bench. Usirino mfethu Chiefs enzeleni usirino, bro. I mean, okay, Usirino is a big player. Ufikile Chiefs wenza lokho nalokho, but recently, bro, Usirino mfethu uyafana noModi mfethu. Abana next nje labantu laba. Okay, a few games ke wasistile lapha kuno Silver, but nje mfethu Usirino mfethu akasafani naye. Usirino ndo mfethu be Chiefs mfethu isaqala season boma last season. But Usirino mfethu kwadlala na Chiefs mfethu kama game lawo 5 mfethu ngasho ngathi Usirino ubuyile, but after that mfethu omunye Thabo Cele. I know ukuthi akadlalanga bafethu, but is this the same player you guys wanted ukuthi adlale kubafana? Okay, cool ke. Sometimes like ungena kubafana. Who is he replacing bafana Thabo Cele? The current Thabo Cele and Thabo Cele wala season. U replace abantu bafana Thabo Cele. Ningangithuki bafethu. Igame angibuka ngishilo, but from what I've seen and looking at the way Chiefs equalize ngakhona, you guys like ngasho ngathi it's a loss, cause you guys andlalanga kahle, and you literally keep your own pili goal but see, okay, you guys can equalize. So I don't understand laba celebrate. I mean, sure we should celebrate ukuthi andliwanga, but it's not a convincing win. Ayichazi nje leya winini bafethu, but singakhulumi kakhulu, ngibuka ngigame so ngikhuluma kakhulu bafethu. All I can say is ukuthi please I think that's why I can't. Please make sure with your comment or subscriber and yeah, let me record the video at Paris right now. Thank you for watching.